7/8 open box end wrenches. Half-inch ratchet. 17mm open box end wrench. A 10mm ratchet, 10mm open box end wrench, a small hammer, pair of scissors, 14mm and a 17mm socket, a drill driver with a 1/4-inch magnetic socket, a 13 and a 14mm open and boxed in wrench, miscellaneous hardware for the table, a Phillips head screwdriver, and that should be the complement of tools.